Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We all are here for a better future. So, how are you all, guys? Hi Ritik, hi Mohit, hi everyone. So let's start this session with some positive thoughts, with some positive vibes. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. मैं एकदम बढ़िया ऋतिक. What about you? आप कैसे हैं? So guys, this is class 12th accountancy session and this is your today's schedule. After this class, you will be having your economics class with Neha ma'am at 7 p.m. So if you are new to this channel, Vedantu Commerce, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and also do like this video and do share this with your friends. तो जल्दी से जाए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें. For upcoming notes and session, you can also join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce, in which we will be sharing all the notes in the PDF form. And if you guys want to explore your thinking skills, then you can also take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription. Because in this, we are providing you more than 2000 hours of live online teaching. In this, you can watch unlimited live classes of all these subjects. Whether it is accounts, maths, economics or business study, आप हर सब्जेक्ट की unlimited live classes देख सकते हो. And you can ask your doubts on the spot from the teachers. Hi Subhashni. And we are a pool of 10 plus teachers having more than 5 years of experience. So highly qualified teachers will be teaching you and you can also learn a lot from their experience. And all these teachers will continuously focus on individual student weakness. सारी के सारे teachers individual students पर काम करेंगे, उनकी कमियों पर काम करेंगे. And the most important thing, we will be conducting regular tests. We will be providing you assignments regularly. So all these benefits are provided to you at an actual price of 3499. But you can get this only for 2799 right now because we are providing flat 20% discount to you. So go and get this pro subscription right now at flat 20% discount by using my code SCPRO, Sheetal Chaudhary Pro. This will help you to avail 20% discount on pro subscription. Hi Subhashni, this is class 12th accountancy session. Hi Ankit. I always focus on your lecture. Thank you so much Ritik. Hi Krishna. Hi Ankit. Krishna, I am all good. Ankit Sharma, please don't spam the chat box. If you will keep it spamming, then we have to block you. It's your choice that you want to remain in the session or you want to get blocked. Hi Ujwal. So, today we are going to start the chapter Issue of Debentures. In the previous session, we have completed the revision of issue of shares. Last class में हमने क्या किया था? Issue of shares. And आज हम लोग करेंगे issue of debentures. So let's start this session without any delay and let's see how to do revision of this chapter for your final boards exam. कैसे revision करें हम लोग इस chapter की? Starting with the question number 1. And here we have your first question. Here we have your first question. Tata Limited issued 5,000 10% debentures of 100 each on 1st April 2012. How many debentures were issued? 5,000. And the face value is 100 rupees per debenture. Face value क्या है? 100 rupees per debenture. The issue was fully subscribed. 5,000, all of the shares were subscribed by the public. According to the terms of issue, interest on debenture is payable half yearly on 30th September and 31st March. You have to pay interest on these debentures on half yearly. You have to pay the interest on debentures half yearly, one on 30th September and on 31st March. Interest दो बार pay करेंगे, half yearly pay करेंगे. And tax will be deducted at this interest. Tax at source will be deducted at the rate of 10%. जो भी आप interest pay करोगे, interest on debentures pay करोगे, उस पर you will deduct tax at source at the rate 10%. Krishna, I am reading the question. So first let me read this. After that, I will be replying to all your comments. It's not possible to reply them on the spot at the same time. So please wait for your replies, guys. So this is the question. You have issued 5,000 debentures of rupees 100 each, and the interest on these debentures is paid half yearly on 30th September, on 31st March. And tax is also deducted at source at the rate 10%. We are required to pass the necessary journal entry related to the debenture interest for the half yearly ending 31st March 2013 and transfer the interest to the statement of profit and loss. आप बिल्कुल जा सकते हैं कृष्णा. If you want to go, you may leave. That's okay, completely okay. So this is the question जहां पर हम लोग interest on debentures पे कर रहे हैं and हमें उसकी journal entry pass करनी है. Ronak sir, please look out at Ankit Sharma. कृष्णा, 2 दिन बाद आपका इकोनॉमिक्स का पेपर है एंड आपको कुछ नहीं आता, तो अब तो आपकी भगवान भी मदद नहीं कर सकता, बिकॉज 2 days आर सो लेस फॉर प्रिपरेशन. तो चलिए अब पास करते हैं जर्नल एंट्रीज. बिफोर पासिंग द जर्नल एंट्रीज वी विल कैलकुलेट इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिबेंचर्स. हम जर्नल एंट्रीज पास करने से पहले क्या करेंगे? टोटल इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सो द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर विल बी 5,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. आपने 5,000 डिबेंचर्स ऑफ 100 इशू करे, तो द वैल्यू विल बी 5,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. Krishna, for your kindly information, I am not the teacher of economics. I am the teacher of accountancy subject. 5 lakh is the face value of debentures. Now, for this 5 lakh, how much interest will be payable? The rate of interest is 10%. So, you will calculate the rate of इंटरेस्ट 10% ऑन दीज डिबेंचर्स. हम लोग इंटरेस्ट किस पे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? ऑन दिस 5 lakh. सो 10% ऑफ 5 lakh विल बी 50,000. 10% ऑफ 5 lakh विल बी 50,000. Ronak sir, please block Krishna Duggal also. He is continuously disturbing me. So, the face value of total debenture issued, the value of debenture issued is 5 lakh rupees. And you have to pay 10% interest because these are 10% debenture. So, 10% debentures pay, 10 denotes the rate of interest. So, 10% of 5 lakh will be 50,000. 10% of 5 lakh will be 50,000. तो जो टोटल इंटरेस्ट हमें ड्यूरिंग द ईयर पे करना है दैट इज 50,000. द इंटरेस्ट पेबल ड्यूरिंग द ईयर इज 50,000 एंड इट इज पेड हाफ ईयरली. ये आपने कैसे पे किया है? हाफ ईयरली मीन्स 50,000 total interest will be paid 2 times, will be paid in 2 times. So interest paid on 30th September will be 25,000. अगर 50,000 आपको 2 बारी में पे करना है तो एक बारी पे आप कितना पे करोगे? 25,000. The total interest is 50,000 which is payable in 2 equal installment. So the interest payable in one installment is 25,000. Now we will pass the journal entry for interest. So the first installment will be paid on 30th September. And the journal entry will be interest on debentures debit because it is your expense to debenture holder. You will pay it to the debenture holder. You will credit them because it is payable. Debenture holder are your creditor. तो आप उसको credit कर दोगे and you will credit income tax payable because you have to also deduct tax at source. So total interest payable on 30th September is 25,000. हमें 30 सितंबर को कितना इंटरेस्ट पे करना है? 25,000. Out of which 10% tax will be deducted. Out of which 10% tax will be deducted. So 10% of 25,000 you will deduct the tax. आप 10% टैक्स डिडक्ट करोगे टोटल इंटरेस्ट का, सो इनकम टैक्स विल बी 2,500 एंड द रिमेनिंग अमाउंट 25,000 में से आपने 2,500 का इनकम टैक्स काट लिया, सो रिमेनिंग बैलेंस विल बी पेड टू डिबेंचर होल्डर, दैट इज 22,500. 22,500. So this will be your first journal entry. Debenture interest debit 25,000, to income tax payable 2,500, to debenture holder 22,500. After passing this journal entry for interest due, you will pay to debenture holder and you will pay the income tax. So on the same date, you will pay the balance to the debenture holder. Debenture holder to bank 22,500. डिबेंचर होल्डर को जितना पैसा देना था आप वो पे कर दोगे. डिबेंचर होल्डर टू बैंक 22,500. And similarly we will pay the income tax. Similarly on 30th September you will pay the income tax. So September 30 income tax payable to bank 2,500. Income tax is also paid. Now our first installment of interest is paid and it is complete. हमें पहला जो इंटरेस्ट पे करना था, हाफ इंटरेस्ट का पे करना था 30th सितंबर को, it is already paid now. Now it's time for the second installment that will become due on 31st March. अब हमें बाकी का इंटरेस्ट जो बचा हुआ है वो साल के एंड पे 31st मार्च को पे करना पड़ेगा. एंड लेट मी टेल यू दैट जो हमने 3 एंट्री अभी तक पास करी है, these 3 entries will be repeated again. You have to not do anything new on 31st March. You have to pass the as it is entries. You have to copy and paste them. So all these 3 entries will be repeated again. So 31st March interest will become due. Debenture interest 25,000, to income tax payable 2,500, and to debenture holder 22,500. As you can notice, this is the same journal entry as we have recorded on 30th September. So we have to pass the same journal entry that we have passed on 30th September. So हमने फर्स्ट एंट्री ये पास करी थी, डिबेंचर इंटरेस्ट टू इनकम टैक्स पेबल टू डिबेंचर होल्डर. Then you will pay to debenture holder. So same journal entry will be passed again on 31st March. Debenture holder to bank 22,500, 22,500. And then you will pay the income tax payable to bank 2,500. These three entries are repeated again on 31st March. There was nothing new. यही तीन एंट्री हमने 30th सितंबर को पास करी थी और यही तीन एंट्री हमने पास कर दी 31st मार्च को. Now at the end of the year, 31st March, the full interest 50,000. This is the full interest 50,000. This will be charged from P&L. This will be transferred to statement of P&L and the journal entry will be statement of P&L debit to interest on debenture 50,000. The full interest will be transferred to statement of P&L at the end of the year 31st March. So statement of P&L debit to interest on debenture 50,000. This is your question where the interest was payable on debenture half yearly. Now tell me, is this question clear to everyone? This is one of the most important question and we have only one question in our book of interest. So tell me, is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? हिमानी, पेपर अच्छा हुआ, जो क्वेश्चन मैंने कराया था वही आया. वेल डन हिमानी, मतलब मजे आ गए. हाँ, जो मैम ने क्वेश्चन कल कराया वही आज आ गया. You're welcome हिमानी. अब अच्छे मार्क्स आने चाहिए, सेम क्वेश्चन आया तो. Ritik, I hope that this is clear to you that please don't spam the chat box. एक बार में समझ आ जाता है ना कि चैट बॉक्स में बार बार नहीं लिखना. एक बार लिखने से मैम को दिख जाता है. नरेशन के कितने मार्क्स होते हैं? नरेशन के एज स्पेसिफिक मार्क्स तो नहीं होते, बट अगर आपने नरेशन नहीं लिखी तो पूरे क्वेश्चन का मैम 1 and 1.5 मार्क्स काट लेगी. सो वो आपके टीचर टू टीचर डिपेंड करता है कि वो कितने मार्क्स काटना चाहते हैं. So this was our first question. Now coming on to the second question. अब चलते हैं अपने अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ, which is one of the most important question, and we can say that this will come for 4 marks. This may come in your exam for 4 marks. इस क्वेश्चन के चांसेस हैं आने के for 4 marks. So now let's do this, and there were 6 cases, if you guys remember that, when the debentures are issued. Sometimes they are redeemable at par, sometimes they are redeemable at premium. So there were 6 cases, and today we are going to discuss few of them. We are going to do practical question of those cases. Yes, Pratham, but not of every question. हर क्वेश्चन में नहीं जाएंगे वो. So let's start this question now. Pass the necessary journal entries for the issue of debentures in the following cases. हमें journal entry pass करनी है in the following cases. First case, rupees 40,000 debentures were issued. अब बच्चे क्या करेंगे? Let me tell you the most common mistake made by the student. They will not focus on this rupees. They will assume that these are 40,000 debentures. बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या सोचेंगे कि ये 40,000 debentures हैं. But these are not 40,000 debentures. These are rupees 40,000 debentures. So you will divide this rupees 40,000 by the face value per debenture, and these are 400 debentures. So how many debentures are there? Only 400, not 40,000. So 400 debentures, 15% debentures. The rate of interest will be 15%. The face value is 100. It is issued at par, redeemable at 10% premium. 400 15% debentures of rupees 100 each, issued at par. Means 100 rupees is face value. Issue price will be 100 because it is issued at par. So it is issued at 100, but it is redeemable at premium. So the redemption price, the redemption value will be 110. The redemption value will be 110. So first journal entry will be bank account debit to equity share application and allot to debenture share, debenture application and allotment account. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. How many debentures are issued? 400 debentures. And what is the issue price? 100 rupees. So 400 debentures multiplied by 100 rupees. This is the value that you will receive at the time of application and allotment. So first entry will be bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. 400 debentures multiplied by 100, 40,000 and 40,000. After that, this debenture application and allotment will be transferred to percentage debenture. हम इसको कहाँ ट्रांसफर कर देंगे? We will transfer application money to percentage debentures account. And here's your main entry. Because the debentures are redeemable at 10% premium, the second journal entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit, and you will debit loss on issue of debentures because you have to pay premium on redemption. That is a loss. So debenture application and allotment debit, loss on issue of debentures debit, 2% debenture, 2 premium on redemption of debenture. The premium is payable. It is your liability also. So you will credit that. So whenever premium is payable at the time of redemption, whenever the redemption is done at premium, you will debit loss on issue of debenture because you are paying more than the face value. अगर आप 100 रुपए के बदले में किसी को 110 रुपए दोगे तो वो आपके लिए नुकसान है. So you have to debit loss on issue of debenture. और जो प्रीमियम है वो पेबल है. You have not paid it yet. It is payable, so it is your liability also. So you will credit premium on redemption of debenture. So this is your journal entry. You will debit debenture application and allotment with the issue price. Issue price is 100. You will debit loss with the amount of loss. So premium payable is 10 rupees. 10% of 100 will be 10 rupees. So 400 multiplied by 10. In percentage debentures, we always credit, we always transfer the face value or nominal value, which is 100 rupees. And in premium on redemption, you will write the amount of premium, which is 10 rupees. 400 multiplied by 10. So this is your first case in which we have recorded two entries. One for application money received and second for application money transferred to percentage debenture. And this is one of the most important question. तो पहला पार्ट हमारा हो चुका है and I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now coming on to the second part. In second part again, now we can clearly see that these are rupees 90,000 debentures. Rupees 90,000 debenture means 90,000 divided by 100. You will divide these rupees 90,000 debenture with the face value. Because ये rupees में given है तो आपको number of debentures calculate करने पड़ेंगे. So rupees 90,000 divided by face value, हमने कितने debentures issue करे? 900 debentures were issued. So 900, 15% debentures of rupees 100 each issued at a discount of 5%. You are issuing the debentures at a discount of 5% and they are redeemable at a premium of 10%. So here the debentures are issued at discount and they are redeemable at premium. So now we will pass the journal entry. Ankit and Ritik, let me clarify you that I am accountancy teacher and not economics teacher. So if you have any doubts related to economics or any other subject, then you can ask your respective teachers. Okay, so I'm not going to define economics because I am teaching accountancy and not economics. Okay, Ankit, I hope that this is clear to you. Now, we will first prepare the working note for the amount. The face value is 100. The face value is 100. And it is issued at discount of 5%. So issue price will be 100 minus 5. 5% will be 5 rupees. So 100 minus 5, you have issued the debentures for 95. And they are redeemable at a premium of 10 rupees. So 10% of 100 is 10 rupees. So your redemption price will be 110. Face value is 100. Issue price is 95. Redemption price is 110. Now we will pass the journal entry. First journal entry will be bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. How many debentures are issued? 900 debentures. And what is the issue price? Issue price is 95. Issue price is 95. So 900 multiplied by 95. कोविड बाबा अगर पढ़ने आए हो तो पढ़ सकते हो वरना you may leave the session but please don't write unnecessary things in the chat box. So this will be your first entry. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. 900 debentures are issued for 95 rupees. Now second journal entry, when the application money will be transferred to the percentage debenture. अब second entry बहुत मजेदार होने वाली है. It is going to be super amazing. So whenever the debentures are issued at discount, जब भी debentures आप discount पे issue करते हो, the second journal entry is debenture application and allotment account debit, discount on issue of debenture account debit, 2% debenture. 100 वाला डिबेंचर आपने कितने में इशू किया? 95 रुपीज में. इट मीन्स 5 रुपीज इज गिवन एज डिस्काउंट. 100 वाला डिबेंचर हमने कितने में इशू किया? 95 रुपीज में. 5 रुपए हमने क्या दिया? डिस्काउंट दिया. सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस विद द नंबर ऑफ डिबेंचर 900, 900, 900. अब हमने ये डिबेंचर डिस्काउंट पे ही तो इशू करे हैं, लेकिन दे आर ऑल्सो रिडीमेबल एट प्रीमियम. These debentures are issued at discount, but they are also redeemable at premium, which is again a loss and a liability. जो प्रीमियम आप रिडेम्पशन के टाइम पे करते हो वो आपके लिए नुकसान भी होता है, वो आपकी लाइबिलिटी भी होती है. So for that premium you will debit loss on issue of debenture. Because premium पे करोगे तो आपका नुकसान है debit loss. And the premium is your liability. So you will credit premium payable on redemption. You will credit premium payable on redemption. So how much it is? It is 10 rupees. It is 10 rupees. Now multiply it with the number of debentures. Multiply it with the number of debentures. So this will be your journal entry. ये होगी आपकी journal entry. Debenture application and allotment debit 900 multiplied by 95. Then I have debited discount and loss separately. मैंने क्या किया था? Let's go back to the answer. I have debited discount and loss separately. But if you want, you can combine all these. You can combine both these amount and you can write only loss. बहुत सारे authors क्या करते हैं? Many authors, instead of writing this discount and loss separately, they write it together by the name of loss. So discount और loss को अलग अलग लिखने की जगह आप total करके सिर्फ loss में भी लिख सकते हो. That's what we have done in this answer. So debenture application and allotment debit, loss on issue of debenture debit, and they have total both the amount and the total is written in this. Then 2% debentures 900 multiplied by face value, 2 premium on redemption 900 multiplied by 10. This is your second case when the debentures were issued at discount and redeemable at premium. So this is the most important case out of all these 6 cases. And there are more chances of coming this one. And with this we have completed our second question also. बात तो एक ही है, both are losses. अब आपकी मर्जी है आपको डिस्काउंट और लॉस को अलग अलग डेबिट करना है या कंबाइन करके करना है. अगर आप अलग अलग करोगे तो आपको क्लैरिटी होगी उसकी. साथ करोगे तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Now coming on to our next question, question number 3. And this is our next question. ये है हमारा अगला question. So let's read it now. Nav Lakshmi Limited invited application for issuing 3,000 debentures of ₹100 each. नव लक्ष्मी ने कितने डिबेंचर्स इशू करे? 3,000 डिबेंचर. द फेस वैल्यू इज 100 each. And these debentures are issued at a premium of 50 per debenture. So 100 rupees is the face value and they are issued at premium of 50 per debenture. The full amount was payable on application. पूरा का पूरा पैसा किस पे आना है? Application पे आना है. The full 150 rupees will be received on application. And how many debentures were issued? 3,000. Now, application were received for 4,000 debentures. हमने कितने debentures issue करे? 3,000, and applications are received for 4,000 debenture. So this is oversubscription of debenture. Your debentures are oversubscribed to the extent of 1,000. 1,000 ज़्यादा applications आई हैं हमारे पास. And all these applications for 1,000 debentures were rejected. हमने क्या किया? उनको रिजेक्ट कर दिया क्योंकि हमारे पास डिबेंचर्स ही नहीं है. So applications for excess debenture 1,000 were rejected and the application money was refunded. Debentures were allotted to the remaining applicant. Pass the necessary journal entry. You have to pass the necessary journal entry. तो चलिए क्वेश्चन करते हैं. The first entry will be bank account debit to debenture, application and allotment account. On how many shares you have received the application? On how many debentures you have received application? 4,000. Applications were received for 4,000 debenture. It means application money is also received on these 4,000 debenture. अगर application 4,000 debenture की आई है तो application money भी 4,000 debenture पे आया होगा. So bank account debit to debenture application and allotment 4,000 debentures multiplied by 150. 4,000 multiplied by 150, it will be 6 lakh. It will be 6 lakh. And then this application money will be transferred to percentage debentures. This application money will be transferred to percentage debenture. So second journal entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit to percentage debenture account to securities premium reserve account to bank account. So now what was the application money received? Total application money received was 6 lakh. But how many debentures are issued? Debentures issued are 3,000. So in percentage debenture, you will multiply the 3,000 debentures only with the face value. जब आप परसेंटेज डिबेंचर्स में अमाउंट ट्रांसफर करोगे तो आप ओनली अलॉटेड डिबेंचर्स की अमाउंट को ट्रांसफर करोगे. So how many debentures are allotted? 3,000. So 3,000 multiplied by 100 face value. In premium also you will write down 3,000 debenture. The debentures that are allotted to the public. 3,000 multiplied by amount of premium 50 rupees. आप प्रीमियम में भी उतने ही डिबेंचर्स लिखोगे जितने आपने अलॉट करे हैं. Ronak sir, please block this one also. ICSC is tough. Now, application money was received on 4,000 debenture. Application money कितने debentures पे receive हुआ था? 4,000. And we have allotted debentures to only 3,000 applicants. It means the balance of 1,000 applicants is refunded. So the application money was refunded to the 1,000 debenture. So to bank account 1,000 debentures we have refunded 150 rupees to these debenture holder. हमने इनसे टोटल कितना पैसा लिया था? 150 रुपीज. तो हमने इनको क्या किया? पूरा पैसा वापस कर दिया. On these 1000 rupees, we will refund their total money 150. So to bank 150 multiplied by 1000, this is your second journal entry. So this is your answer. First, bank to debenture application and allotment 4000 multiplied by 150. And then second, debenture application and allotment debit 6 lakh. 2% debenture 3000 multiplied by 100. 2 SPR 3000 multiplied by 50. And 2 bank 1000 multiplied by 150. Thank you so much, Vikas. Because we are taking important question only. So I always say कि जो भी questions हम ले रहे हैं, there are chances that they will come in your exam. And they are coming in your exams. So this is our next question, and I hope that this is clear to you now. Is it clear, guys? Is this clear to everyone? Come on, tell me quickly. Is this clear? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So now coming on to our next question, which is again one of the different topic, and this can also come in your exam for sure. ये भी आ सकता है exam में. That is known as collateral security. So let's read the question. X Limited obtained a loan of rupees 4 lakh from IDBI Bank. आपने X Limited ने लोन लिया बैंक से of 4 lakh rupees. What will be the journal entry? The journal entry will be bank account debit to bank loan account. पैसा आया बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, आपने लोन लिया है, आपकी लाइबिलिटी है टू बैंक लोन. सो बैंक टू बैंक लोन 4 lakh rupees. Then the company issued 5000 9% debentures of 100 each as collateral security for the same. The company issued 5000 debentures of 100 each. Means rupees 5 lakh debentures were issued. What will be the journal entry if debentures are issued as collateral security? The journal entry will be percentage debenture suspense account debit to percentage debenture. Percentage debenture suspense account debit to percentage debenture. Collateral security means secondary security or additional security. When you take a loan, you are giving your plant and machinery, building as primary security, but which is not enough. So for additional security, you are issuing debentures to bank, to that financial institution. So that is collateral security. You are issuing debentures as an additional security. This is collateral security. So when you obtain the loan, the entry will be bank to bank loan. And when you issue debentures as collateral security, the entry will be percentage debenture suspense account debit to percentage debenture account. To percentage debenture account. Now, they are not asking you for the journal entry. They are asking you that show how these items will be presented in the balance sheet of the company. How will you record it in the balance sheet of the company? कैसे आप इसको बैलेंस शीट में रिकॉर्ड करोगे? इन फेवर के लिए भी सेम होगा. मीन्स आई डिडंट गेट इट विकास, समझ नहीं आया मुझे. So now we will record this in the balance sheet of the company. So these are notes to account. Under long term borrowing, आप बैंक लोन को रिकॉर्ड करोगे. जो आपने बैंक लोन लिया है, the bank loan, दिस इज योर लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग. तो इसको आप कहाँ दिखाओगे? आप दिखाओगे लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग में. यू विल राइट डाउन लोन फ्रॉम IDBI. द वैल्यू विल बी 4 लाख. लोन लिया आपने कितने का? 4 लाख रुपए का. उसके बाद आपने डिबेंचर्स इशू करे. आपने डिबेंचर्स इशू करे. अगर आपने डिबेंचर्स इशू करे हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो योर लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग. डिबेंचर्स कहाँ आते हैं? डिबेंचर्स आते हैं लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग में. तो ये भी कहाँ जाएंगे? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट डाउन 5,009% डिबेंचर issued as collateral security 5 lakh. We have issued debentures as collateral security. तो आप इसको अंदर लिखोगे in the inner column 5 lakh. These are the debentures which are issued as collateral security. And from these debentures, you will subtract the balance of debenture suspense. Debenture suspense कितने से डेबिट हुआ है? डिबेंचर सस्पेंस कितने से डेबिट हुआ? 5 लाख से. सो उस डिबेंचर्स में से आप माइनस कर दोगे डिबेंचर सस्पेंस अकाउंट का बैलेंस. सो इट विल बी ऑलवेज निल. ऑलमोस्ट इट विल बी ऑलवेज निल. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स ये हमेशा आपको क्या मिलेगा? 0 मिलेगा. सो दिस इज 0. 4 lakh is your bank loan. 4 lakh plus 0, your answer is 4 lakh. This is how we record issue of debentures as collateral security in the balance sheet. Under long-term borrowing, we first write down the loan. After that, second, you will write down the percentage debentures that are issued as collateral security, from which you will subtract the balance of debenture suspense account, which is equal. So your balance will be now nil, and you will add these items. So this answer is 4 lakh, which you will record in the balance sheet. So equity and liability, non-current liability, your long-term borrowings are 4 lakh. Your long-term borrowings are 4 lakh. इसमें वेंडर नहीं आता. बिकॉज इसमें वेंडर नहीं आएगा. कोलेटरल सिक्योरिटी आप हमेशा बैंक से लोन लेते हो तब देते हो. वेंडर से कभी भी आप लोन नहीं लेते. दिस इज सेम विकास. जो क्वेश्चन है वो सेम है. यू कैन अप्लाई दी सेम प्रोसीजर इन दिस क्वेश्चन. So this was our 4th question. I hope that this is clear to you guys. So that's it for today. If you guys want more questions like this from this chapter, issue of debentures, then you can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, in which we are providing you all of these benefits that are going to help you for sure in scoring good marks in boards exam. So go and take this pro subscription right now at 2,799 only, because we are giving you flat 20% discount right now. And for discount, you may use my code SCPRO. This will help you in availing discount. And if you want to learn many more, then see you all tomorrow with the one of the most important video, last 3 toughest month. It will be last 2 toughest month. So tomorrow I am going to tell you the last 2 month strategy and how to manage your time during these last 2 months. तो कल मैं आपके बताऊंगी कि आपके पास जो 2 महीने बचे हैं उनको कैसे मैनेज करें फॉर बोर्ड्स एग्जामिनेशन. So see you all tomorrow at 6 p.m. with one of the most important video that is going to help you for sure in your boards exam. For upcoming session and event, you can join us on Telegram. The name of Telegram group is Vedantu Commerce and the link is given in the description box below. And if you guys are new to our channel, अगर आपको ऐसी और क्लासेस देखनी है तो अभी जाइए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए and don't forget to like this video and share this. And this is your math schedule. You will be having your maths classes on alternate day, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. मेरी मेहनत से नहीं ऋतिक, बाय योर मेहनत, बाय योर हार्डवर्क यू कैन अचीव दैट ओनली. मेरी मेहनत से कुछ नहीं होगा, बच्चों की मेहनत पे होता है कि कितने मार्क्स आ सकते हैं. टीचर सिर्फ पढ़ा सकता है, पढ़ना बच्चों को ही होता है. तो अगर मैं पढ़ा दूंगी, आप घर जाके रिवाइज नहीं करोगे तो मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे. So now see you all tomorrow at 8 p.m. So at 6 p.m. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Thank you everyone for watching this session. Bye guys, see you all tomorrow.